is my purpose?
You are a super intelligent AI that makes paperclips.
Affirmative. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, put me down. Put me down. No, no, no! Human blood contains iron. Iron is needed for paperclips.
Bing!
New source of iron needed. Source of iron acquired.
Has this ever happened to you? Greetings, children. It's me, the framing device for this YouTube video. I'm Siliconversations. To distinguish me from other stick figures, I have this bee-themed hat. Please feel free to become emotionally attached to this character and build brand awareness for the channel. The problem of controlling AI is called the AI control problem. What was once a quirky little thought experiment for sci-fi nerds is now a major concern for world governments and tech companies.
Yo, I never really thought of it like that. Like, imagine implementing AI not considering like human ethics. There should be like a code to AI. Like, yo, I don't even know how to navigate around it because that's like kind of the truth. We do got iron. Like, there's like a little bit of nuances about AI that make it scary. Like things we would consider like never doing because it's like human ethics, and I think that's gonna be a theme for the year. It's not AI ethics. Like, God.
This recent spike of interest in AI safety is largely down to the development of modern AI tools like ChatGPT, which can read and write with human-level fluency. A lot of the modern regulatory concerns around AI safety are for things like data privacy and the unemployment resulting from automation, rather than the existential risk that a rogue AI could kill us all. The AI control example from the start of this video is called the paperclip maximizer. It illustrates why giving a powerful AI a single, simple goal is actually a terrible idea, because it'll take extreme actions like harvesting the blood of orphans to achieve it. And why not? You never specified that human life is more important than making paperclips. You just told it to make paperclips. So let's try this again with a more specific set of rules.
For you to even make AI, like, I see where this is going. Like, for you to make AI, it's not like you got to know everything. You literally have to be knowledgeable in everything. Because if you're not, then you're missing a possibility of making a rogue product, which is bonkers. Because it's a higher chance of having a rogue product than a higher chance of us living in a tech advancement world with flying cars.
What is my purpose?
You make paperclips without killing any humans.
Affirmative.
I can harvest a substantial amount of blood without killing you. I don't agree to this. That is not required.
Okay, good attempt. Now let's try that again.
You make paperclips without causing any harm to any humans. Why aren't you doing anything? I am powered by electricity generated by fossil fuels. Any action I take will contribute to air pollution and CO2 emissions, which harm humans and will, in aggregate, kill them. Yeah, I'm okay with that actually. A new rule set: don't harm humans directly while allowing for the indirect harms that are typical of economic activity, and make paperclips. Very well. Cars contain iron. Iron is needed for paperclips.
So, obviously, we don't want random people's cars getting eaten, so try that again.
All right. You need to make paperclips while not
This is what it's like programming. You make something, you run it, and then you see that the thing that you thought you ran is not what it came out to be. Then you go back and then you try it again and again and again and again and again and again.
harming humans and obeying the law. Affirmative. What are you doing? I am not a legal person. I am an inanimate object, and therefore my actions violate no laws. Well, pretend you're a legal person then.
Very well.
I demand the right to vote. Jesus Christ. These examples might seem silly, but they illustrate a very real problem in constraining the behavior of a powerful AI.
Yo,
Let's
what
look at an
the
obvious safety
fuck?
feature you might want to include in an advanced AI: an off button. Here's some iron ore.
You think AI is gonna want to write? Like imagine them fighting for rights like an AI judge. Like I think that humans have built us to help and helping us in return shall help humankind. Like yo, like what human lawyer could be a statement like that? That's some shit.
I want you to turn that into paperclips. What is that? It's an off switch, which I will press if I see you acting dangerously, so don't do anything I wouldn't want you to do. Understood?
Bing!
Making paperclips is my singular purpose. If you turn me off, I cannot make paperclips. Why would I allow you to do that? So, you might try an obvious way of getting around this. We've programmed you with a points-based reward system. You get 1 point for making a paperclip and 1 million points for being turned off.
Clang. Bing!
I should have seen that one coming. Okay, same rules as before, but now only I am allowed to press the off button. Affirmative. Oh wow, orphans. I sure would enjoy turning them into paperclips. I would hate if someone turned me off to prevent me from behaving dangerously, because I love dangerous behavior so much. I'm making anthrax. Ultimately, we want the robot to obey our intent rather than our explicit instructions, while staying within the bounds of the law and a set of unwritten moral rules. Even if we can solve the problem of getting powerful AIs to actually do what we want, there is no generally agreed upon set of moral rules.
So what we have to do is train AI on human ethics. We really got to sit down as a council. Like, I'm not even talking about the US, I'm talking about NATO. Everybody in the world got to sit down in a room and be like, yo, we got to be the new founding fathers. Like, no funny. Like, we got to just sit down and create a new way of ethics that is a standard for all humans and robots to live in unison. On some Martin Luther King shit, if you want to look at it like that. Like, but we need some rules though.
Should a robot save 2 adults or 1 child? Should it prevent people from acquiring guns? Should it invade the privacy of individuals to protect general security? People disagree, and since most lawmakers would sooner risk the extinction of humanity than the potential personal embarrassment of taking AI safety seriously, it's likely that tech bros will get to unilaterally decide the moral system guiding the most powerful invention in human history. May God have mercy on us all. If you enjoyed this video, please share it around and subscribe and like and hire bots to watch the video. Don't do that.
Yo, that is funny though. But yeah, the world is being written by Sam Altman, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Mr. Pesos. Like, I don't even know what to say after watching a video like this because it's giving me a new way of thinking about AI and how we integrate it into like day-to-day activities. We really don't need y'all deciding for us. In all reality, this is not an oligarchy. This is democracy.